Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. As you know, I did color my hair very recently. If you have not seen my dramatic hair makeover, then I would have put the link somewhere over here. Go watch. It was one hell of a journey for me for one hair makeover. But anyways, so I did color my hair and my hair has been so dried. Like, though my scalp is oily, my hair is very dry. It's self-care Sunday today and I am going to be doing deep oiling to my hair. And yeah, I have a lot of acne that's back where I was... My skin was getting completely clear and now it's like... here I am. Anyways, let's just talk about hair today. So for this deep oiling method that I'm going to be doing today, the oil I am going to be preparing at home myself. So let's go prepare the oil first.
For this I took some random bowl, took virgin coconut oil that I've been using for a while, and I put almost like I emptied half of the bottle I think. And then I took some walnut oil and some castor oil, black sesame, some methi seeds, some rosemary dried ones, and curry leaves, and some amla powder, Bhringraj powder, hibiscus powder, some aloe vera. Also, I did not have like amla, so I've put powder. If you have amla, you can just put it. Then boil to that point where it's completely boiling, like bubbles out. Then just switch it off, and once it is completely cold, just filter out and keep the oil separately. For that, then I added 3 vitamin E capsules. Then transferred it to my same glass bottle that I have been using for a while right now.
Okay, now that the oil is ready, so first I'm just going to comb my hair and make sure to remove all the knots so that it gets deep inside. And please ignore I look a mess. I'm gonna use a wooden comb. If you don't have a wooden comb, just use whichever comb you have.
I generally remove the knots of my hair, one because the oil kind of gets deep in, and also when you have migraine headaches or something, I've observed that when you remove your hair knots and like comb your hair, you also kind of get rid of headaches. It's probably because it circulates blood very well, and it also kind of get rid of that dry and split hair that's there in between. So yeah, if you have a headache, try this. Then I just took my oil that I prepared this yesterday, so it's now completely cool. I took some 2 to 3 pumps, then rubbed in my palm to kind of slightly warm it up, and then I started applying only on my scalp first, like from back to front I came, and I slowly started massaging it, and damn, it feels so relaxing. I think you'll have to do it on a Sunday when you're like completely stressed out. Then slowly the same oil I started like kind of pushing it down. Like if you want, you can take extra oil. Also, for a fact, over here my hair ends have completely gone dry, so I did oil them as well, but generally I just oil my scalp. But if your hair lengths are dry as well, then you could probably add extra oil and completely fill your hair with oil. Because we are doing deep oiling, I have applied a lot of oil than I usually do. Also, make sure you apply in between those gaps and sometimes direct oil so that you don't have missed any spot. Once I was done with that, I just tied my hair into a bun, and I took this one product from Meesho. Now I don't remember its name, but it's very actually useful and effective for hair oiling or even hair mask. This is very nice because you can remove the zip of this, and it's like inside is completely plastic. You could probably just wipe it and put it back. Also, for a fact, inside it's not very like burning hot, and it just keeps the temperature very minimal warmness that is enough for your hair, because more heat also damages. And trust me, it's so calming when you put that. I'm just going to leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes.
Now that 10 minutes are over, I am done with this. You're not supposed to like burn your hair. It feels so relaxing, man. Especially during winters. This feels like heaven when I do this. Next.
I took my usual head or scalp massager that I most of the time use it, and I slowly massaged it. Over here I would have little fast forwarded it just to make sure you don't get bored, but please make sure when you're doing it very gently, calmly do, because it's supposed to help in blood circulation, which also promotes hair growth and gets rid of all the dandruff and all of it. Once I'm done with it, again tied it to a bun and took the shower cap. Like most of the time it would be kept in that hotels and all. No, you can take that or just order one. I just put this plastic cover.
So this I'm gonna be leaving about like 2 to 4 hours, not more than 4 hours and not like or just 1 hour, because more than the quantity of how much oil you're applying, it's very important that the oil kind of gets completely absorbed into your scalp. And then I'm gonna go take a shower. It's been like 2.5 hours right now. So yeah, it is more or less completely absorbed, because I did apply a lot this time because it was more than a week since I applied oil. I'll take a quick shower and come back. Hi, I am back. I'm just gonna dry my hair like 50% air dry and 50% like using hair dryer, because I can't completely air dry my hair because I'll get like headache and all because I have migraine, etc, etc. But anyway, so yeah, I will be back once my hair is like completely dry. I'm actually kind of waiting to see how smooth it looks, because after my hair coloring that I did, it's like the first time that I've done deep oiling. So
1 hour later.
hello, I am done with drying my hair. So I just want to show. See, in general, whenever I blow dry my hair does look voluminous, but I just feel today it looks a little bit more voluminous and for sure very smooth with this. And also I feel my hair is getting a little less tangled. So soft, smooth and well hydrated. So yeah, this is my deep oiling method that I just wanted to share with everybody, and I feel in general this helps anybody who has extremely dry, frizzy, even like extreme hair fall. And if you are somebody who has colored your hair like me, which I did recently, otherwise only like when you color your hair becomes very dry. So I feel this helps in kind of maintaining your hair texture and also kind of controlling hair fall and all of that. Then this video is for you. I would recommend at least you do this like once in a week, or at least minimum once in 2 weeks. It does really help. Just try it out for a month and you yourself will know the results. I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel because it really means a lot to me. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye.